Namaste students. Today we will be starting chapter 12 areas related to circles. If I ask you about the formula of area of circle, I know you have done it in earlier classes, junior classes. So very easily you will tell that area of circle is pi r square. And circumference of circle, it is 2 pi r. R means radius of the circle. So before I tell you other formulas of area related to circle, let us do some questions based on these basic formulas of circle. First question I have taken where they have given that the cost of fencing. Fencing means they are talking about circumference. The cost of fencing a circular field at the rate of rupees 24 per meter is rupees 5280. So if a circular field is to be fenced, outer boundary is to be covered, in that case total cost is given to us and cost of fencing 1 meter is given. So with the help of these two values we can very easily calculate circumference of circle will be total cost divided by cost of 1 meter square. That means if we divide 5280 with 24, we will get the answer of circumference. After division, we will get 220 meter. And we know that the formula of circumference is 2 pi r. That means 2 pi r equals to 220. If we put the values of 2 and pi is 22 upon 7 into r equals 220. Shifting 7, 2 and 22 to the other side, and after cutting we will be getting radius as 35 meter. After that they have asked about the cost of plowing the field. Plowing means they are asking about area. They have given the cost for 1 meter square and they are telling us to calculate the total cost. That means first of all we will have to calculate area of the field. For area of the field, circular field, will we have to use pi r square. Pi 22 by 7 and r is 35, so r square means 2 times 35. So 22 and 5 will give us 110 into 35, 35 and 11, so 3850. This value we have obtained for area of the circular field. So cost of plowing 1 meter square, cost of plowing 1 meter square of the circular field is given rupees 0.50. Then cost of plowing 3850 meter square will be, if we multiply this value with 0.50, after division we will be getting the cost as rupees 1925 for plowing the total field. Next I am doing question number 4 of exercise 12.1. In this question, they have given us that the wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. And they are asking about how many revolutions these wheels can make in the time of 10 minutes and at a speed of 66 km per hour. So first of all, let's see diameter of the wheel. Wheel means circle. So diameter of circle is given to us. Diameter is given to be 80 centimeter, and we know that radius is half of diameter. So radius will be 40 centimeter. Now they are talking about revolution. Revolution means covering the outer boundary, means circumference. So we will be calculating circumference of circle. Circumference of each wheel means 2 pi r. 22 by 7 and r is 40, 44 and so we will be getting 1760 upon 7 centimeters square. Centimeter. The circumference will be in centimeters. Next they have given us speed of the car, means speed of the wheels, as well as time. You see, unit are not same. Here we have obtained circumference in centimeter and here it is kilometer per hour and time is minutes. So we will be converting speed into centimeter per minute. Speed is 66 kilometer per hour. 66. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter, and then 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. That means 1 kilometer is equal to 1 lakh centimeter. So instead of kilometer, we will be getting, we will be writing 1 lakh centimeter. Now converting hours into minute. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. So here we will be writing 60. So after cutting, we have obtained the speed as 11 lakh centimeter per minute. Now time is given 10 minutes. Time equals to 10 minutes. If we calculate distance, we know that the formula of distance is speed into time. So this distance will be the distance covered by the car in 10 minutes. Distance is equal to speed into time. So 11 lakh into 10. And this distance will come in centimeter. So here we have calculated total distance covered by the car or by the wheels, and distance covered in one revolution is also there. So number of revolutions would be total distance covered by the car upon distance covered in one revolution, in one round. So that will be this value 1 to 10 lakh to be divided by distance covered in one revolution. So after cutting, we will be getting 0.50, and if we multiply these two numbers, so that comes out to be 43,750 revolutions. That means the car will make 43,750 revolutions in 10 minutes with a speed of 66 km/h.